There are many benefits to be gained from using a good tool chest. One of the most difficult aspects of any home improvement project involves finding the right tool quickly. The organization of these tools is now easy with the Master Loader, a portable sliding plastic toolbox from Keter. It is easy and efficient to store hand tools as well as power tools inside the toolbox. Plumbers enjoy the easy movements in compartmentalized bins. Electricians will appreciate the sturdy and resistant exterior surface. Everyday work around the home or in the garage can be accomplished with precision and convenience. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This Master Loader storage cart is like a portable shop. It has a central locking mechanism for maintaining security as well as stability during travel. The interior is organized to maximize the amount of available space. And there is even a tool divider for the easy compartmentalization of the tools. The topmost storage bins slide apart to reveal the main bin underneath. And this system allows users to store their most useful tools on the top portion of the toolbox. Heavy tools and rarely used items can easily be stored below. The ball-bearing sliders allow you to gain access to these tools without the cumbersome added step of removing the top bin. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Organize with dividers. Large hand tools compartment with removable divider. An integrated organizer with 2-size removable bins on the lid. And compartmentalized bins for smaller tools and hardware. Number 2. Locking device. Central auto-locking mechanism for stability and security. Number 3. Portable. Extendable handle for ease when rolling and 7 inches rubber wheels for mobility. Number 4. Sturdy. Sturdy polypropylene resin construction is resistant to chemical damage and fading. The heavy-duty frame can hold heavier tools too. Number 5. Dimensions. 14.88 inches width by 24.25 inches depth by 16.34 inches height. Number 6. Resin construction. It is made from an all-weather resin with a 66 pounds weight capacity. Number 7. Large tool storage. The bottom divider offers deep storage space for larger tools such as hammer, power drill, and flashlight. Number 8. Versatile use. Perfect for any kind of project, DIY projects, home improvement, commercial construction work, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.